Hey skaters, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia and today I am teaching you a really fun new slide. Now, I saw this slide on Instagram. The account was Mr. Tema. I think that's how you pronounce it. I will post the slide right here. We can watch it together. It is so cool looking. I spent probably 45 minutes this week just sliding over and over again, getting the hang of this gorgeous slide. Now, he has done some gorgeous editing where he's slowing down and speeding up, and it adds some drama to it. So if you want to post a cool video of it, you might want to edit the speed a little bit. But I'm going to show you how to do this really cool new slide. So let's break this fancy slide down. It has several different positions that you're going to want to work on. The first thing we're going to do is a left leg lunge. You're going to start by going down into your lunge, and then you're going to three turn. It's going to be a left outside three turn. So we're going to turn. Okay, so that's the first thing. If you haven't learned a turning lunge, I will post a link to my turning lunge tutorial down below so you can work on it. But the first thing we're going to do is turn. Okay, now we're going to drop our knee because this right knee is where most of the work is actually happening. Full disclosure, I have a little tiny silicone knee pad on. You probably want to put some kind of protection on your knees while you're learning slides. So we get from our three turn into dropping our knee and sliding backwards. So you could practice that motion a number of times and make sure you have enough control just with that step. So we're gonna go into that left leg lunge, three turn, drop our knee, and you can practice that over and over until you can do it with control. After that, you're going to place your right hand down on the ice, and you wanna get it so that your shoulder and your arm are in a nice line. If you place it out at all, you're just gonna belly flop. So you want your hand right under your shoulder because you're gonna be putting a lot of weight on it. I would suggest you place it facing your fingers away from the direction of travel because you're turning. If you place it any of the other angles, you're gonna have to rotate too much. But if you place it here, you don't have to rotate your arm quite as much. So you want your knee and your hand facing the same direction. From here, your left leg is going to push around and lift up. He does this amazing thing where he looks down first. It's gorgeous. So you could practice sliding in this position, just isolating this one position. I'm squeezing with my butt. My leg is as straight as I can get it, and you can practice sliding right here. So we're going to practice the lunge, the left outside three turn, and then gliding backward in that position I just showed you. So we have a left lunge, three turn, hand down, and then we're gonna slide. Now, I've been practicing with a turn. My body just kind of naturally turned. What's gonna happen is as you pick this leg up, you're gonna rotate a little bit. So, doing that again, we go lunge, three turn. This foot's gonna push around, which is gonna help drive you into a turn. You have to be careful that you don't push it around too much or this is gonna spin. So as you push this leg back, try to lift it early so you don't create very much of a spin. We're gonna lunge, three turn, lift that leg up as early as you can, and we wanna get into this position. The second thing we're gonna do is rotate to the side. So, turn around so you can see that. I'm getting this foot off the ice as early as I can and pushing it behind me. And then the next position we're gonna do is you're gonna practice looking to the side. You really need to be strong in your hips and your glutes. If you drop down, and this is something I'm still working on because this is a new move for me. If you drop down, you're just gonna end up sitting and sliding in whatever position your body falls into. So try to keep your hips and glutes really engaged so that you can turn to the side. Even if you just glided here, it would be a gorgeous and very cool slide. So we're gonna try to get into that side version of the slide. you can see it's beautiful on its own. And if this was your slide and you couldn't get the next step, you can still step down, push up, and you have a really, really cool new element to add to your program. You can work on it just like that. But this amazing skater in the YouTube video or in the Instagram video faced upward at the end. I want to show you how we get into that. So we're down, we rotate to the side. This is where it's really, really difficult. You need to keep your hips pushed up as you point your toe to the ceiling and look up. So you've got to have that really strong, secure foundation with your right arm and your glutes really strong engaged. You're going to turn so you're actually facing away from the ice and looking up, all right? Strong, strong hips there. So once you get there, that's like the ultimate version of this slide. I fall on my butt about 50-50, but we're gonna try to do it all together. All right, speed does help some, so I'm gonna get a little bit of speed. We have our lunge, our 3-turn, face the side, face up. Oh, almost had it. So like I said, we really got to engage those hips. But if you practice it, I want to see your videos. Tag me, because this is the coolest new slide I've seen lately. And I want to see you guys do it well. I think I'll try it one more time though. A little momentum, left outside 3-turn, hand on the ice, turn to the side, turn up. Ooh, that was a little bit better, you guys. All right. Such a fun slide. Again, I'd love to see you guys practice it, do it well. Tag me on Instagram, Skating Coach Julia. All right, skaters, I hope you enjoyed that fun slide. It is a challenge, but if you work on it, it is so gorgeous. It will pay off. It'll be that extra little thing in your programs or just to show off to your friends, right? Who are we kidding? Half of our skating is just, you know, messing around with all the other people we're practicing with and showing off to our friends. So that's a good reason to learn a slide too. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give us that thumbs up, and I'm looking forward to reading all those comments in that section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.